Hey YouTube, what's up? Dave's Motor Cars here. You knew it was coming. First mods for the Mercedes C400. I just got in my Burger Motorsports cold air intake kit for the Biturbo V6 that's in the C400. And I just got home from work, so I'm gonna wait for my car to cool down a little bit, and then we're gonna get right into it. Alright, so first step's pretty obvious. You gotta take off the engine cover and disconnect the front little air dam there. And you know, the takedown part of the video should be pretty straightforward. Take off the screws, take off the connectors, take off these front air dams right here. You know, at least I think some people leave these in place. I'm not sure, we'll see when we get there. But yep, we'll go ahead and start removing parts. This is not going to be a totally in-depth video, mainly because I don't have a way to set up my camera to where I can film while I do it. So I'll just be doing it in steps. Alright, so this is where I'm at on the left side, and I actually took a couple extra steps that you really don't even need to take. You know, I took the top off this box because I figured there'd be some screws in here to get the bottom of it off, but that's not true. It actually just pops off pretty easy. So this just pops off. And before you pop that off, all you gotta do is just pop these off. Real easy. So far, most everything just pops off. But you will need a T20, possibly. And this is an 8mm for some of the bolts. Alright, let's keep it going. Next one is this. And I've already taken off the 8mm bolt right there. So, ooh, it's still burning hot. Get a rag. Yep, so once you take that one 8mm bolt out, all you gotta do is just pop it off. And that's that. And looks pretty, I don't know what's going on with my camera here. There we go. So obviously it's going to be exactly the same on the right side. So once you do one side, you should be an expert to go ahead and do the right side. So I'm going to do the right side, and then we'll start and put in these heat shields. These black heat shields that are not easy to do. You got to take off that bolt right there, slide it behind, and then maneuver your fingers in there to tighten that bolt up. Same on both sides. And then I went ahead and stuck on the intake tubing with the supplied bolt in there. It's not tightened down yet. And if you put a little bit of oil around the O-ring down there, the pipe slides on a lot easier. And after that, you gotta take these sensors out of the factory air boxes, and then you slide them in to the back of the new air filters like this and secure them down. They got little dots so you know you're in the right way. And then you do that for both air filters, obviously, and then you'll connect the extensions and connect those back to the factory wiring harness. And so I'm gonna go ahead and put these on, and I'll give you another update. And here's the finished project of the Burger Motorsports cold air intake kit for the C400. Everything fits and looks pretty good. Put these little air ducts back in there just to direct the air a little bit better. And here's the wire extensions that so they can make it back to the original wire harness. And I think it looks pretty good. Start it up in a second, see how it sounds. No noticeable difference right off the bat. Got a noticeable blow-off noise now. Ah, that sounds really cool. Alright, let's take it for a test. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but got it in Sport Plus mode right now. It sounds pretty good. Not sure about throttle response yet. I just have to drive it more. But it does sound cool, and that's definitely what I was going for here. And now, maybe in the near future, I will get the JB4 tuner for it. And then that'll be a lot of fun. But for right now, just the Burger Motorsports cold air intake install kit. Hope you guys liked the video. Stay tuned for more.